In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can recover deleted WhatsApp messages without a backup. If you do find this guide helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. If you really just hop with the channel, it lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you do have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Now, I do want to say a lot of videos do lie about this. If you do not have a backup, there's no 100% guaranteed way to fully recover deleted WhatsApp messages. However, there are still a few things that you can check that may help, depending on your situation. Begin by opening up WhatsApp and going into your settings. From here, scroll down a little bit, and what you're looking for is the storage and data option. Go ahead and open that up. And from here, go ahead and scroll down or up to the top, depending on where it is, and select Manage Storage. From here, you can scroll through your chats and media to see if there is anything in here that you can restore that is worth doing. Sometimes media files like photos or videos may still exist even if the message thread itself was deleted, so just keep that in mind. If it's not in here what you're looking for, back out and go to the main settings page, and this time go ahead and select chats and then select chat backup just like so. Here you can see whenever your last backup was made and where it was stored, whether it's your iCloud or on the iPhone or Google Drive on Android. And if a backup does exist from before the messages were deleted, you can recover them by uninstalling WhatsApp, reinstalling it, and choosing Restore Chat History during setup from your previous backup. If there is no backup at all, WhatsApp does not store deleted messages on its servers, and exporting chats will not recover those deleted messages. It's only going to save messages that still exist, but you can go back to your settings one more time, scroll up and go to the account section just like so. And once you do select your account, you can go ahead and hit request account info and then do request account report. But just keep in mind, this is not going to restore deleted chats. It's going to only provide account related information and limited metadata, not full message histories. If this guide did help you out though, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel. It lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you do have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.